our brake jobs cost what they do. This is why we physically cleaning up your old calipers, your hardware. Greasing your pins. Just give me a little bit.
A lot of times your caliper's not bad. A lot of times it's just some water or something that's gotten inside the boot and dried out the slide, and there's no more grease in there, so it won't slide back and forth, so it'll seize up. That's what was happening on this car here we're working on, doing the rear brakes on this Nissan Rogue, and the slide locked up. So we were able to get the pins out, clear this out, and you see these boots are still in good shape, but there was no lubrication in there, so it has added some more grease in there, and now these things are sliding like butter. So we can take these old calipers that we had that we were going to replace and put those back on the car, send these old ones back to the parts store, save the customer some money. So you ain't got to screw somebody over to do the shit right. In this case, we were going to replace the hardware,
Which I think I still might, just because this one not fitting flush, is bent.
So we do have one we're going to replace. A lot of times I recommend you go ahead and replace them all, but if they're still in good shape and you can clean them up and they still got some good flexibility in them and they're still got some good tension in them, I don't always want to change them, because sometimes it's just a waste. And sometimes we found in some of these that have like universal hardware that doesn't actually really fit the calipers and the bracket sometimes, so that sometimes will force you to reuse the old ones.
Right.